Hello, everyone. I'm Jamie Hale. I am the co-founder of Ladder Life. What we're doing is making life insurance better. We are taking a fundamentally awesome product, which is life insurance, that helps fund the resilience of families and communities during sometimes their toughest times. So it's a fundamentally awesome product that is absolutely not relevant for today's modern consumer. And what we're doing is we're rebuilding it and reimagining it. So data is the heart of what we do, but people really are the soul. And part of the reason I'm really passionate about Ladder is my dad passed away when I was 11. And we had a simple life insurance policy, and it did exactly what it was supposed to do. It kept me and my mom and my brother in our house around our friends during a really, really hard time. So it's an awesome product, but is sold today in this 16-step, that's a simplified map process that's really designed around paper and brokers. The challenge is it's led to a $16 trillion coverage gap because that is not how people are used to consuming. Right? Today's modern consumers don't go to the bank branch. Right? They don't go into a travel agent anymore. They both discover and work on all their financial decisions initially online. So that's how we built Ladder. We built it to be beautiful and delightful. You can check it out. We're at www.ladderlife.com. And I got 5 minutes left. In that time, you can go through, apply, get underwritten, offered a policy, accept, bound, and issued. So a traditional 6 to 8 week process can get done in less than 5 minutes. So give it a try. The way we did this is by rebuilding and reimagining the full stack. You have the traditional incumbents in the middle who can literally call themselves manufacturers. They are the insurance companies. They will write an insurance policy and set pricing. You have some of the other new entrants who basically are trying to put a shiny front end onto that 6 to 8 week kind of broken old school process, which is tough because you can't meet customers' expectations around instant digital flexible experience as they move through because you're working on this really old tech stack. So we've redone everything from application to underwriting to policy administration. This is what it gives us. It gives us the ability to have a beautiful, fast experience for customers where we give them an instant decision. That real-time underwriting and that instant decision is just really powerful for today's modern consumer. We've also, since we've rebuilt the full tech stack, we can also think about life insurance somewhat differently. We used to say, we're going to sell you a big policy, a block of insurance. It would be $1 million for 30 years. Right? No one believes that their needs aren't going to change over time. They know that when they buy a house and have a kid, maybe a second kid, their needs are going to change. They're going to go up, and then they're going to go down. Since we've rebuilt the system, don't charge any policy fees, what's nice is you can adjust your coverage over time to meet your needs. And that allows the consumer to save about 40%. It's incredibly powerful and something no one else can do in the industry. What else we can do is we can expose all these through APIs to our partners. That's one of the reasons we're here. One of my co-founders, Jeff Merkel, is also in the audience today. We've already started partnering with some of the best next-gen platforms around investing, around savings, around managing your personal finances. What we can do is really extend life insurance out into where it's relevant for the consumer, where it's relevant for them both to discover it, but also to manage it over time, right? If you get your mortgage online and you start paying down your mortgage, you can reduce your life insurance coverage in line with that. We can extend those APIs out into where you manage your personal finances so you have a really robust and holistic view of your financial life. We also extended it out to advisors. A lot of these advisors were clients initially. And they said, hey, we want to be able to provide this to actually our clients. So it allows us to move out into some other different channels. We also have Ladder at work. We can now extend Ladder out into the workplace on some of the platforms that work inside the workplace. But fundamentally, this is what it's about. Our customers can really interact with us when they have time. So 50% of our customers are on mobile, 60% are outside business hours. 10 o'clock at night is our busiest time. That tends to be when people get their kids in bed, they have a chance to sit down, talk with their significant other, and get this stuff done. And everyone in the traditional industry said, aren't people really going to want paper? They're going to feel like that makes it real to them? No one wants paper. They want it to be online. They want to be able to log in and manage it whenever and however they want. But this is also the bottom line. Our customers love us, and they stick around. The industry average NPS is 4.5. That's tragic, right? This is a fundamentally awesome product that needs to be relevant and needs to be loved. So thankfully, our customers really love us, and they stick around. And we get awesome feedback from them. Over on the right, Jeremiah, you don't tend to see people saying, took me 10 minutes to get a policy, not a quote, not a phone call, friggin' covered in 10 minutes. Customizable, dope stuff. We love that. Like, we're high-fiving in the office. I mean, we love it that we get called dope stuff. That's it. I'm Jamie Hale. I'm the CEO of Ladder Life. Please come find us. If you are a next-gen platform helping manage people's loans, mortgages, banking, personal finance, come find us. We'd love to talk about how we can partner with you. Thank you.